Hey, I'm Gaurav, and welcome to Create with Confidence, a hands on series where we turn ideas into visual content using Adobe Firefly and Adobe Express. So let's get started.
Adobe Firefly is Adobe's generative AI platform designed specifically for creative work. It allows you to generate images, videos, audio, and other assets using simple text prompts, making it easier to turn ideas into visual content. Firefly is not just a standalone tool, it's part of Adobe's Creative Cloud ecosystem and integrates with applications like Adobe Express, Photoshop, and Premiere Pro, enabling a seamless creative workflow. It provides controls for style, composition, and output, giving creators more precision and flexibility while working with AI. Another key aspect of Firefly is that it is designed to be commercially safe and built for creators, so the content generated can be used in real projects with confidence. In simple terms, Adobe Firefly helps you move from idea to production faster by combining AI generation with professional creative tools. To access Firefly, go to firefly.adobe.com and sign in with your Adobe account. If you don't have one, you can create an account in just a few steps. Adobe Firefly is also available on mobile, so you can generate and create content on the go. This is the Firefly interface, where you can generate images, videos, and other creative assets using simple text prompts. If we scroll down, you can see that Firefly offers a range of features across images, video, and audio. For example, you can generate images, create videos, and even produce sound effects. In this episode, we'll focus on text to image to understand the core workflow. Inside image generation, you'll see a range of options to control your output. You can choose between different models, including Adobe's own and partner models depending on the type of result you're aiming for. You can also adjust the aspect ratio based on where you plan to use the image. For example, square for social media posts or wide for banners. There's also an option to control image size, where higher resolution gives you more detail. You can even use a reference image if you want to guide the style or composition. But the most important part here is the prompt. This is where you describe what you want to create. So let's try a simple example. I'll type stylish running shoes on a textured surface with dynamic lighting and a sporty look. Now let's generate this and see what Adobe Firefly creates. And here's what Adobe Firefly generated. You can see how the prompt translates into a detailed and realistic visual. Now, to turn this into something usable, let's look at Adobe Express. Adobe Express is a design and content creation tool that allows you to create social media posts, videos, banners, and other digital content. It is designed to be simple and beginner friendly, so you can start creating without needing advanced design skills. It provides a wide range of professionally designed templates, allowing you to start with a structured layout and customize it based on your needs. You can edit text, adjust colors, replace images, and apply simple effects to create visually consistent content. Adobe Express also includes features like animations and basic branding tools, helping you enhance your designs quickly. When used together with Adobe Firefly, it allows you to take AI-generated visuals and turn them into complete, ready-to-publish content. In the next step, we'll use the image we created and apply it within a design in Adobe Express. We'll begin by exploring templates in Adobe Express. I'll go to the templates section and search for shoes to find designs that match our content. This template provides a structured layout that we can customize. Now, I'll replace the existing image with the visual we generated using Adobe Firefly. We can adjust the placement to ensure it fits well within the layout. Next, I'll update the text to match our content. I'll add the headline "Performance Redefined" to create a strong and impactful message. I'll also add a simple call to action, "Get yours," to complete the layout. We can also explore different font styles to match the overall look and feel of the design. As you can see, with just a few simple changes, we've created a clean and professional design. Now, let's export this design. Now it's your turn. Try creating your own version using the same workflow. In the next episode, we'll explore more of what Adobe Firefly can do.